The power of peace in building healthy relationships and self love. Peace is often seen as a distant idea, something to seek after a moment of chaos and or conflict. Yet, peace is a powerful foundation for creating healthy relationships, and also nurturing love of self. When peace is present, it fosters communication, respect, and happiness, environments essential for feeling whole. What I'd like to talk about, and I'd love to get you guys' feedback on this, is how to understand peace. And I want to use the acronym or the word peace as an acronym to transform this and to give you a better understanding of what it is that I'm saying and connect with others and, of course, yourself in the area of peace. Understanding peace through peace. P.E.A.C.E. Peace in relationships, self love, can be broken down into five categories using the word peace. The first one is physical. Physical peace means feeling safe and comfortable in your body and in your environment. It includes health and healthy boundaries and respect for personal space. When physical peace exists, stress is reduced and trust grows. E is for engagement. Engagement is a positive support that we all give and receive when we're trying to deal with people that we care about or love. Building that type of a relationship builds confidence and motivates growth and relationships and encourages help from partners facing challenges as we go through those particular things together and celebrating those successes. A is for admiration. Admiration involves recognizing and appreciating the qualities in others and ourselves. It strengthens our bond by showing respect and gratitude, which is vital for lasting happiness in any relationship. C is for companionship. Companionship means shaping and sharing time, interests, experiences, and creating connections and reducing the feeling of loneliness. True companionship is based on a mutual respect and understanding. E is for exclusive. Exclusivity refers to the commitment and or loyalty that defines a close relationship. It builds security and trust. Love and communication deepens. Now, how peace shapes healthy relationships. Healthy relationships thrive in peace because it creates a safe space for vulnerability, honesty, and without peace, fear, misunderstanding can take over and lead to conflict and or distance. Communication without fear. Fear often blocks open communication. When peace is present, people feel safe to express their thoughts, their emotions without judgment. This opens up the ability to communicate and creates an openness that prevents misunderstanding and builds strength in your connection. So it strengthens your overall connection. The other one is managing finance with respect. Money can be a major stress in relationships. Peace encourages peaceful and respectful conversation about finances when both parties feel that they are being heard and valued, which is setting a shared standard amongst those particular individuals. The goal of a budget is working together and creating a sense of teamwork to reduce any anxiety that may occur because of money and or financing. Building happiness together. Peace allows happiness to grow naturally. When partners are encouraged to admire each other, they create a positive environment that supports joy, fulfillment in their relationship and in their interaction. So simple acts like celebrating achievements, spending quality time together, strengthen emotional bonds for anyone. Creating self-love through peace. Self-love is a foundation for relationships, and without it, you may seek validation from other areas, and also tolerate unhealthy dynamics if you don't have that cultivated peace. Peace helps us to develop loving relationships with ourselves also. A lot of people don't like themselves, and we all need to work on that because if you don't like yourself, then how can you truly like anybody else? There's always going to be that air of jealousy or that air of uncomfort or discomfort. Physical peace with yourself, again, a very important thing. Take care of your body through rest, nutrition, and movement. These things promote physical peace. And it sends a message that you deserve care and respect. Set boundaries around your time and your energy and protect your well being. Now, encouraging your growth. A lot of people lack to address this particular area, but encouraging your growth is not just for others. It's also speaking kindly to yourself. It's also taking care of yourself. It's also celebrating your progress as you move through your life. For instance, boosting yourself and it boosts your confidence in yourself when you create a goal and you take that small win and acknowledge it as a win. Not necessarily a small win, but you acknowledge it as a win as you're moving forward to reach your goals and to get where you want to get. That builds confidence and motivation within you. Admiring your unique qualities. Everyone has strengths and talents worth admiring, and reflecting on what makes you unique is extremely valuable. This practice builds self esteem and reduces the need for external approval. Finding companionship within. Spend time alone, and spending time alone can be a form of companionship with yourself. Now, that needs to be positive and it needs to be something that's proactive because engaging in these activities can bring joy and peace, such as reading a book, taking a walk in nature, a creative hobby. There are a number of things that you can do, and these nurture a positive relationship with your own company. And your own company is, again, your own self. Next is being exclusive to your needs. Commitment is a priority. You need to look at trying to create an environment where your well being is also taken care of. Say no to things that drain you, things that take your energy. Say yes to things that nourish you, as these are acts of self love as you move forward, as you try to get where you want to get. Exclusivity helps maintain balance and peace in your life. What's that thing they say if you're on an airplane? If for some reason the oxygen mask drops in front of you, put it on yourself first. That's self care. So that then you can take that position of where you have strength or you're able to help somebody else. And you're not only not putting yourself at risk, but now you're in a better position to help those people that need help or that individual that needs help or support. So, some practical steps for bringing peace into your life. And please take this seriously. Create a peaceful environment for you. Practice mindful communication. Set clear boundaries and encourage yourself and others. And spend quality time with loved ones and yourself. I'd love to hear any thoughts that you guys may have on peace, love, and wholeness. Maybe even some of the things that you do to get back your time, to remove toxicity from your life, to find peace in the world that you live in, be it at work or at home or just with yourself. Trying to find that balance for you. With that, this is Mr. Z Inspires, and you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you.